Welcome back to Shop Talk with Carly. Today I'm going to show you how to do a belt adjustment. So if you've never done one, don't know what you're looking for, don't know how to do it, this is the video for you. Alright, let's get at it. I will walk you through how to do this, but I just want to talk a little bit about what we're looking for in the adjustment. So here you can see that these hills and valleys are riding just a bit above this sheave here. Now that's not what we want in our belt adjustment. We want these hills and valleys to sit right in the middle of this sheave. So this sheave should sit closer to the middle there. So because this is all the way out, we know that this is too tight and it needs some adjustment. To adjust it, we're going to loosen this bolt here, which is a 4mm Allen, and then we move this back or forth depending if we need to loosen or tighten it. Step one, loosen. Now you can do this with everything that comes on your clutch cover. You don't need any special tools. You can do this on the mountain. This comes also on your clutch cover. It's actually for your shocks, adjusting your track skid and your shocks, but it also works pretty good for moving this around. Now, if this doesn't work for you, a hammer and a screwdriver will do the trick. So once the track is in the air, we can fire this up in the shop and get all the clutches running, and it'll fix itself. Well, I've got the sled on the redneck track hoist. If you're going to do this, please use a quality ratchet. Please use a sturdy ladder. Maybe don't tell your mama this is how you lift your sled up. And certainly do not be sticking your head under that track. Do not be sticking your hands under that track for any length of time. Be careful, okay? This is sketchy. If you're going to do sketchy, be smart about sketchy, all right? Okay, now that we got this in the air, we can go back to the clutch, fire it up, and see how the sheaves are sitting once we get some centrifugal force happening. We're also looking for under idle that it creeps forward ever so slightly, which we saw actually starting to happen on that last adjustment. The clutch was barely moving forward, so that's a good sign. That's perfect belt tension, because on the snow, it's not going to push the track forward, but it's ready to. So now you can kind of see there that the belt is riding a lot nicer in that sheave. It's not too high. The valleys are sunk in a bit and the hills are still visible above the top of the sheave. So now we got adjustment happiness. All we got to do is tighten that little pinch bolt, throw the covers back on, you're good to go. Happy riding.